Samsung's next Unpacked event is just around the corner, and the excitement in the tech world is building fast. While many fans and insiders are anticipating the grand reveal of the long-rumored Galaxy G Fold, there's actually a much bigger story unfolding behind the scenes. The spotlight might be on the next-gen foldable, but Samsung has been secretly developing something even more groundbreaking, something that could change the game completely. We're talking about a device that doesn't just fold in half like the typical foldables we've seen so far, but one that folds twice. Yes, you heard that right, a Trifold smartphone. This concept has been in development for a while, and it could finally be ready to shake up the market. Earlier this year, they gave the public a sneak peek of a prototype at MU, sparking curiosity and speculation. According to circulating rumors, it looks like they're finally prepared to reveal the full version at the highly anticipated upcoming launch event. And this isn't just hopeful chatter, there's real weight behind it. During one of Samsung's recent investor calls, the company strongly hinted at a major development. They discussed their commitment to pushing the limits of device innovation, moving far beyond minor upgrades, and taking bold steps in product design. All signs point to the possibility that Samsung is getting ready to completely reshape what we think a foldable phone can be. Rumors are swirling about an upcoming Trifold device from Samsung, possibly named the Galaxy G Fold, that could feature an enormous 9.9-inch display when completely unfolded. This size puts it firmly in tablet territory, offering a massive viewing area for multitasking, media, and productivity. While this rumored screen is slightly smaller than the Trifold device already launched by Huawei, it still represents a significant leap in size compared to any foldable Samsung has released so far. The Galaxy G Fold could redefine what we expect from foldable smartphones. Naturally, a larger screen demands more power to operate efficiently. According to recent leaks, the expected charging speed falls somewhere between 23 and 24 watts. It's likely that Samsung will advertise it as 25 watts for simplicity and marketing purposes, which isn't surprising and generally acceptable. However, if the device ends up featuring a significantly larger battery to support the increased screen size, then a 25-watt charger might not be enough. In that case, Samsung would really need to consider boosting the charging speed to around 45 watts to ensure quick and convenient charging times. After all, the Galaxy S25 Ultra already supports 45-watt charging, so there's no reason this model shouldn't be able to match that capability. Well, let's talk about the camera setup now. According to recent reports, Samsung has decided to move away from using the under-display selfie camera for this model. Honestly, that seems like a smart decision. Those under-display cameras have consistently fallen short when it comes to image quality. Instead, Samsung is opting for a more traditional punch-hole front camera, which should provide clearer and more reliable results for selfies and video calls. Turning to the rear cameras, the G Fold is expected to feature a powerful triple camera setup. At the core, there's likely to be a massive 200 megapixel primary sensor, ensuring extremely detailed shots. Supporting that will be a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens for high-quality zoomed-in images. This configuration mirrors what we anticipate on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, meaning the G4 should be capable of delivering top-tier flagship-level photography performance in virtually all conditions. The one major factor that might cause hesitation for potential buyers is the price tag. Foldable smartphones have consistently carried premium pricing since their debut. For instance, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 launched at a steep $1,899, already placing it in the ultra-premium category. When we shift our focus to Huawei's Tri Fold device, it debuted at an even more staggering price point of $2,800, and that's just the base price. In many parts of Europe, the cost is even higher due to taxes and import duties, pushing the final price well beyond that. Now, there's some early speculation about how Samsung will price its upcoming Trifold. Some reports suggest they might try to stay somewhat competitive by aiming for a price around $2,200. However, most industry insiders believe the final figure will be much closer to $2,700 once everything is factored in. Yes, that's still very expensive, but if Samsung manages to deliver a truly refined and seamless Trifold experience, then the high price might actually be justified for early adopters and tech enthusiasts. If you're not quite ready to make the leap into the world of folding phones just yet, don't worry. You're not alone. The Samsung S25 Ultra remains one of the most versatile and well-rounded smartphones currently available on the market. It continues to impress with its top-tier features and performance. What's even better is that there are some excellent deals available right now, making it an ideal time to grab one if you've been thinking about upgrading. For now, that's all the latest info. The next Samsung Unpacked event is just around the corner, and it looks like it's going to be an exciting one, full of potential announcements. We'll have to wait and see what innovative new products Samsung has in store for us. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Take care. Bye!